In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to build a WooCommerce product page template. Bricks Builder templates are going to blow your mind once you understand the concept. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a quick tip on how CSS frameworks work, and you'll never go back to Elementor again. So I went ahead and created a WooCommerce template for the product single. I imported the product single template from the Elementor library. And this is what we get. And you'll see that even though I've already set global colors and fonts in my website, the template I imported doesn't inherit them. And I need to go through the entire design and I need to find them. I need to change the font. I need to change the color of every part of this design, including things like the borders and the drop down arrows, the add to cart button, the hover effects, and that's a lot of work. And it takes quite a while. It sounds easy, but it honestly takes long enough that the use for a template actually becomes in question. And you could have literally built this from scratch almost as fast as you could to use the template and go through it and make all the changes you need to get a consistent look and feel with your existing site style. This is where Bricks is different. So we're in Bricks Builder now, and we're on the product page, and there's no template at all for this page yet. And you can already tell that the styling is way more in sync with the website. We've got actual colors, but let's go ahead and actually make a template. So I'm gonna add a new template and call it WooCommerce Single. Choose single from the template type, we'll publish it, and then we'll edit this in Bricks. Inside of Bricks, we are going to set the template condition for the product page under template settings, conditions, add condition, post type, products. Now, we're gonna import a Bricks template. And you will notice the difference in about 30 seconds from now. So I'm gonna choose the WooCommerce frames template and I'll import the alpha one. When it prompts, we say no styles. I go ahead and save this and we have a Bricks template that's honoring my site global styles, my site global colors, my site global fonts, and we're done. Additionally, we can go back to our template and we can insert the related products loop and easily change it. So we have a template in frames that has like a grid of 3 products. It's not what we want to see, but I can import it. I'm going to again say no to the style. You'll see it's coming in with 6 products, but we can actually use this template and immediately change it. And we don't need to rebuild anything. All we need to do is go into the post per page, change it to 3, remove this accent heading and change this heading to related products. And we've got a fully working WooCommerce product page built from templates that actually work, unlike Elementor. All right, guys, I promise you a bonus tip, and here we go. I'm gonna show you what a CSS framework is. You may have heard about them or seen or read about them, and they're like some abstract concept that doesn't make a lot of sense. This here is exactly what they're good for. I have made a section with a container in it, and it has a 3-column flex grid in it, a grid in it. And I've put a heading and some text into the first block. Now, when we are building content in Elementor that repeats, and we want to change something like a background color, we end up having to go through the whole site And everywhere we use the color, we need to change it, or if it was styling like padding or background images. And we need to go through the site, find every spot where we did it, make the change and make the adjustment, short of global fonts and colors, obviously. So here is what I want to show you. In Bricks Builder, we can make a class simply by clicking up here and writing a class name. And I'm going to call it background test. Hit enter. And now we're writing a class, and we're going to say that we're going to just give it a simple background color. And I'm going to use a very different color than we're using in our site. And we're also going to give it some padding. Here is another use for a CSS framework. Like this. We can use variables, and instead of remembering class or remembering actual values, we can use a nice spacing framework. And now if I make another block inside this container, I'm gonna make one manually just to show you the process. Give it a heading and rich text inside it. And you will see that the styling did not copy over from this block to the next block, but we can simply add the class to the block level. It was called a BG, so we'll click up here. I'm gonna go search it, BG-test, apply it, and there we go. We have consistent styling. Now I can duplicate it and I have 3. Now I'm going to change my mind, and we want more padding at the top. So I choose any one of the 3 blocks, go into the class I wrote, and give it space large at the top, small at the bottom, and we change our mind on the color, and we rightly decide that we should use something that matches our brand, and there we go. You have an easy way consistently style stuff. This is not just within this page, this is across your entire site. If you use this class in any element anywhere, you would get consistency throughout your design. And this is what CSS frameworks are good for. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. It really does help me out. Thanks for watching.